I mean, why not? I think it's too late.
Yes,
Already done. Hello, everyone. We are live now.
Yeah.
it's just uh oh, I have to sign into stream. What did I use?
Yeah, I'm gonna check
Mm,
everything. So we are 6 minutes into a start of the event.
I have to.
Yep.
So are you able to check if everything is live the right? Okay, I think so.
Yeah. Already done. Yes.
I should not have clicked it yet. But Darren, did you want to check if your slide works, if everything is good?
Yeah, if I could do a quick share to make sure that I
Mm-hmm,
get
sure.
this. Can you see my slides all right?
Yes.
Yes. Everything looks good, and we all also streaming on YouTube and LinkedIn. Unmi, I just checked. Everything
Ah, nice.
good to go.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, now I realize why I shouldn't have hit stream yet.
Yeah.
But I guess people can hang out for 5 minutes.
Mhm.
Do you want to stop sharing,
Yeah,
Darren?
I'm just gonna do that.
Mm,
There we go.
Good.
Okay, so we are expecting about 100 people to join. So let me see how many. 119 at least. And then the others would be
I
just
mean,
on.
not everybody that signs up usually shows up, but
Yeah.
we still get a pretty good,
But it's
pretty
still
good
like
number.
there are people who didn't register and then they're just streaming on
No,
YouTube
they're
and on
just gonna
LinkedIn.
join live,
Mm.
yes.
Yeah, we're not gonna have that number like accurately. I don't know.
Mm.
We have Samsung here. Who is Samsung? What kind of Samsung is that? SM. Is it a Note?
Hi, Ankita. We could see your face before. Now you hid. Yeah, good to see you.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Good, good. So, you are able to spotlight, right? Over. So you can spotlight whoever is
Uh,
speaking
yes, I am.
at the moment. Mhm.
Mhm.
Yeah. We went live early, so we're just gonna wait for people to roll in.
Mhm.
How did you hear about the event, Ankita? Did I say your name correctly?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, a lot of people call me Anita, but I'm okay with that too.
Mm.
Yeah, like for me too, the N in my name is silent. So in your case, they are removing what is there. In my case, they pronounce what should not be pronounced.
Oh, I should have that information a year ago.
Yeah.
Boomy.
Are you saying you don't know how to say my name? Of
Like
course you do.
I always try to pronounce the N like a little bit, like so I'm not wrong. But now I can like with confidence I can say just Woomy, right?
Mm-hmm. Hi,
Good to
V.
know.
Long time. How have you
Hey, what?
been?
Hey, one me doing great, fantastic. Nice to see
Mm-hmm.
you.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Okay. We have Wish here. Okay. Ankita, I have a question for you. Where did you find the link to join the this event, this meeting? Like, did you find it in your email or you had to go to Luma?
No, in my email, I got an email from City Platform about the event. I signed up for the event. I came to know about the event on City Platform. So as soon as I signed up, I got an email yesterday as well about the event is coming up today with the link and Zoom ID and password, everything.
And by city, you mean Zach's platform, like carriers intake and okay.
Yeah, but it would have come in through Luma to your email. Hi, Wish, welcome. Good to see you.
Yeah, I got an email from Immigrant Techies.
Yeah, the Luma account, yes.
Okay, it's a good thing that you got the link in your email. That was I was worried about that.
Hey, Wumi, just one thing. It's not going to be recorded, is it?
Recorded?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be there forever, Vish. Like,
Yes. Is
until the end of
that an
human.
issue?
Yeah, like usually I charge for this presentation, so I would prefer if it's not recorded, so my clients actually see this presentation.
Okay, so even if we don't record, we are live streaming.
That's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
which means people will still see it.
That's fine. Yeah. Like if
Okay.
you're live streaming and it's the note-taking app is on, it's fine. It's just like just don't want an official paper trail for it. That's all.
Okay.
But
Okay.
no, like what Wunmi is trying to say, like, is that after the stream ends, it's gonna be there on YouTube and LinkedIn.
Oh no, you can't do that. Yeah, definitely not, because my clients will be really upset at me because I charge an arm and a leg for this presentation.
Okay. So how dependent are we on the presentation?
Okay, hold on. Can we stop live streaming and then go back? Would that disrupt things?
Check your settings. I don't have access to.
Live stream. Yeah, I can stop live stream.
Okay.
So that would be only for the presentation part. Then for the conversation, we can go back. Wish.
For the conversation, you mean like the text, or
Like just
So
talking.
the you and Darren are going to have 10 minutes when you're presenting each. And then after that, I'm going to ask some other questions based on what you say, just making conversation. And then the audience is going to also ask questions. So it's only your 10-minute presentation that you don't want live streamed.
yeah, like my slide deck. If it's not stored
Your
somewhere,
slide
that's all I
deck.
care about. Yeah.
I'm removing the note taker.
No, he said the note taker was fine.
I mean, I'm sure the note taker is gonna record the screen.
Okay. No worries, all is good. So in that case, I think it's best if Wish starts before Darren, so that way we only have to break it once.
Yes, and I think we are still streaming, right, or not?
Yeah, I'm still streaming right now. But I'm going to do intro of Immigrant Techies just a little bit before we invite the speakers. So okay. I mean, we're already live anyways. We can still go in and trim these parts out eventually. Well, welcome everybody. We know people are still trickling in, and that will continue to happen. We're just gonna get started. So welcome to Immigrant Techies Network. We do all kinds of virtual events, in-person events. We are a nonprofit organization that helps the Alberta tech ecosystem. We're actually a national nonprofit, but we do most of our work here in Alberta. And so we support the tech ecosystem in the space of talent development and workforce solutions, leveraging the immigrant talent pool. And we try to demystify tech, everything tech, because sometimes people hear the word tech and they're like, well, what exactly is that? What is tech? What's not tech? Right? And we just try to demystify that to say, beyond all the jargony words, beyond the abbreviations, this is exactly what it means. This is what the transformation, what is being transformed, what is being disrupted, what's happening in industry. And so we'd like to bring in people from the ecosystem in general to talk about what they are working on or what's emerging in terms of technologies and the applications and career development. And we've been on this series since this year started, where we've been focusing in on the very technical things that are emerging. So we've talked about game development, how extended reality is impacting the world of game development. We will be focusing also on blockchain technology soon, and also quantum technology. So we just want to, zero in on these technologies and what it's really changing. What does it mean for the economy? What does it mean for your career as you prepare yourself for the future of work? What do all these changes mean for you? So that is what we've been up to. And we are a community. We have a community on Discord right now. We are working on a web app that we will soon be launching. But in the meantime, we hang out in Discord to keep ourselves up to date on what is happening in the ecosystem and what's changing. So Nova will be sharing, so that's the Discord link in the chat. And we'll share it again as the 1 hour time goes on, just so that you can join us there if you're not already part of that. So yeah, so that's it about immigrant techies. And today we are focusing on data centers. I'm sure we've all been hearing a lot about that in the news, about companies that are looking to Alberta to come build data centers. First, it was just one company, and then more interest and more interest. And it's really exciting in terms of what it means for our economy. It's exciting in terms of just the opportunities that are there. And the fact that where we are geographically located gives us some advantage for economic development. So that's just one of the things we will be exploring in this topic tonight. But before we do that, I will ask that everyone that is on this call, you will, if you want, if you're comfortable, I'll ask that you copy your LinkedIn profile, put it in the chat, and connect with other people that post their profiles as well. Because we want to be sure that we are growing community, we are growing our networks, even through a virtual environment like this. So if you are comfortable, if you want people to reach out to you by LinkedIn, please right now take your LinkedIn profile, make sure it has the whole HTTPS and everything so that people can just click on it without having to. Yeah, I'm gonna add mine right here. Whatever reason it doesn't want to. So, and when you put your link, when you put your profile in the chat, make sure you're also reaching out to other people. Don't just hope everyone else will reach out to you. So just another way of growing your virtual community, and hopefully the people you meet here online with, one day you get to meet in person at events, and then you can kick off relationships that way. Okay, so today we have 2 awesome guests that will be doing justice to the topic of the day. We have Wish Bakshi. I hope I said that correctly. And if you look at Wish's LinkedIn, it says, I build data and AI systems. So that's definitely why we want to hear from him, right? So we want to hear about what that means and what work has been happening within Canada and outside, and all the other cool stuff. And our second guest is Darren Dumontier. Did I say correctly?
Close enough. It's Dumontier.
Dumontier. So
Dumontier,
more like
yeah.
Dumontier. Okay. So yeah, so Darren is an innovation leader at Powerhouse.
Data center group. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Sorry about that. And they'll be telling us a little bit more about what their company does, what they do personally, and we want this to be as interactive as possible. So the way it will go, we'll start with Wish, and we'll have about a 10-minute-ish presentation. And then we'll go to Darren and have another 10-minute-ish presentation. Then I will take some conversation from there. And after that, we'll open it to the audience for question and answer time. So we're going to stop streaming. So if you're watching this, you're watching on LinkedIn or on YouTube, sorry, you're going to lose the next 10 minutes, but we will try to get back because Wish does not want this part recorded.
Yes, and please take into account that Wish does not want this part to be recorded, so be considerate of that. And if you're on Zoom, you're good, right?
Yeah, if you're on Zoom, you're good. It's just if you are watching directly on YouTube or LinkedIn, we will be stopping live stream right now.
Yeah, so jump into Zoom. If you're on there, jump to